Hi, I'm Dale with Edwards Garage, and today I've got a 2020 Chevy Colorado Z71 to show you. This truck's equipped with a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, super fuel economy, excellent power, Goodyear Adventure tires on it, probably around 50–60%, still pretty good shape. It's got a custom Chevrolet grille in it, fog lamps, got nice rims on it, black running boards, uh, body match mirror covers on it, the deep tinted back windows, spray and box liner, rear sliding window in the back end here. Truck is in super shape, as you can see. No dents or dings inside the box. No dents or dings on the outside of the truck. Very nice truck. Take you inside and show you how she looks inside here now. Here we are inside the truck. These are equipped with a auto track transfer case, your four-wheel drive switches down here, built-in brake control, heated steering wheel, heated seats. We've got the all-weather floor mats in here, front and back. So they're the really good floor mats. It's got an automatic climate control. iOS radio, which means nothing to you, but it's a good radio. It's got the iPhone, the Android Auto, the Apple CarPlay. All working here. Power windows, power locks, child locks. She's got the works. Needs a windshield, but we're going to be putting one of those in it right away. So other than that, this truck's going to be just tip-top shape. I won't say like new, but darn near like new anyways. So you want to have a closer look at it, come on down to Edwards Garage and I'll show you the truck. Thanks.